Alright, this is 1868 Shannon Road in Navarre. This is like 7069 Leisure Street, which is just getting started. They lied to us. So this one is on 0.39 of an acre, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1845 square feet. That's Highway 98. There is a service road here for that water tower there, and there is a mobile home tucked in behind those trees over there. But this is brand new construction, brand new, and no HOA here. So you get 0.39 of an acre. Over on Leisure Street you get 0.46. And you got a nice front porch. Alright, come in, we have tile flooring. Immediately to your right you have your garage. So this is kind of a neat thing. This is your laundry room. Nice big laundry, and that connects to the master. We'll come out there in a minute. It's just your AC closet. Got granite countertops. Refrigerator goes there. Walk-in pantry. Take a look at these other 2 bedrooms. Or 3 bedrooms. And here's your hall bath. Granite countertops, tub. Bedrooms are... You could fit a bed in there, I guess. This one feels a little bit bigger, but maybe, I don't know. And this one looks out onto that little service road here. Got a nice, these huge windows here. Alright, here's your master. Plenty of room for a king bed here on either wall. And you have double vanity, granite countertops. Nice big tub here. A frosted window up here. And you got this nice big with rain shower head there. So this is the master closet. Goes back into the bathroom. And then this connects to the laundry room. And you're back at the front door. So this one's got a really nice big back porch wraps around here. And the only thing is you could put a fence here. It's got gutters, looks like all the way around. That's good. So it's tile in the kitchen and bath and carpet in the living. So this is 1868 Shannon Road, and it's going to be exactly like 7069 Leisure Street, also in Navarre. Leisure Street will have a side entry garage, but it'll be the same floor plan.